viewers, welcome to Elimu TV, a place where you watch and learn. I'm teacher Alex Musawa and I'll be taking you through Physics Form 1, lesson number 37. Our title is Measurement, and in this case we're going to look at volume. The objectives of this lesson are to calculate the volume of various objects. And what is volume? Volume is a three-dimensional space occupied by a solid, a liquid, or a gas. In short, it is space occupied by matter. And volume has various units. It has liters, cubic meters, cubic centimeters, fluid ounces, gallons, and quarts. So, the first volume that you can see there, we have a cylinder. And how do we calculate the volume of a cylinder? The volume of a cylinder is the area of the cross-sectional area times the height of the cylinder. And how do we find the area of the cross-section of a cylinder? Is a circle, and therefore it is pi r squared. So the area pi r squared times the height. So the formula to find the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared h. The next shape there you have a prism. What is a prism? A prism is an object that has its cross-section area as a triangle. And as you can see, we have a prism that has a triangle that has a height of 24 centimeters and a base of 19 centimeters, and its height is 47 centimeters. So how do we find the area of a prism? It's going to be the cross-sectional area times the length, and the cross-sectional area, since it's a triangle, it's going to be a half times base times the height. So the area of the volume of a prism is a half base height times the length. The next shape that we have is a sphere. What is a sphere? A sphere is, examples of spheres is like our earth. The earth is a sphere, but though it's not a perfect sphere, some bulbs are sphere in shape. Yeah, so a sphere is the ball that you play at the field. The ball is a sphere, is spheroid in shape. And how do you find the volume of a sphere? It is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. In this case, the r is 15, so we're going to have 4 over 3 pi r times 4 over 3 pi times 15 times 15 times 15, which is going to give us 14,139 cubic centimeters. Next we have a cuboid. As you can see, a cuboid is made up of the length, the width, and the height. And we have the length of 3 centimeters, the width of 2 centimeters, and the height of 5 centimeters. And how do we find the volume of a cuboid? The volume of a cuboid is calculated by multiplying the length times the width times the height. So it is length times width times height, which is 3 centimeters times 2 centimeters times 5 centimeters. We're going to have 30 cubic centimeters. Next we have a cube. What is a cube? A cube is made up of faces which have equal length and width. In this case, it is 8 centimeters. All the faces are made up of a length and a width of 8 centimeters. Therefore, the volume of a cube is length cubed. So, in this case, we have 8 times 8 times 8, that is 8 cubed, and it is 512 cubic centimeters. And that is the end of our lesson. And I have an assignment for you. Number 1, describe how you calculate the volume of a spheroid globe. Number 2, a sphere of diameter 6 centimeters is molded into a thin uniform wire of diameter 0.2 millimeters. Calculate the length of the wire in meters. Our reference book is KLB Book 1 Physics, 5th edition, 2019. For more information, contact us on our phone number, YouTube, Elimu TV, Facebook, Elimu TV, and lastly Twitter at Elimu TV_KE.